Hello everyone, today we're diving into shocking moments in when people messed with the wrong cops. Watch how risky choices quickly backfire and learn why resisting law enforcement can have instant consequences. Chicago police responded to a senior care facility after reports of a man with a knife confronting Alfonso Wright in his apartment. Even after being calmed and stunned with a taser, he charged at the officers, swinging the knife. Resisting with violence only made his outcome far more severe. According to reports, a man with a knife was chasing someone in the area. When police arrived and ordered him to stop, the suspect resisted and advanced toward the officers. Despite repeated commands to drop the knife, he refused. Confronting the law while armed only makes the consequences come faster and harsher. New Orleans police arrived after receiving a report of an unlawful intrusion. The suspect resisted and attempted to attack officers, escalating the situation. Confronting law enforcement while armed only leads to an undesirable outcome. Confronting police while armed is not a way to resolve problems, it's a way to accelerate consequences. Wilshire officers responded to a report of a man threatening others with a sword. The tense situation forced officers to use force to subdue him. After a report of a man causing trouble and trying to break into a home, Bakersfield police approached Jimenez. Despite being ordered to stop, he charged at officers with a rock. The situation escalated quickly, forcing the officers to use a taser. Facing police while armed doesn't help you escape justice, it only closes the legal door faster. A midnight break-in quickly turned into a dangerous confrontation. West Valley police were called when Denny James Clark was caught trying to break into a home with a crowbar. When asked to drop the weapon, he refused and suddenly swung the crowbar at officers. Attacking law enforcement is never a way out. It only makes you pay the price sooner.
Hey, where you hit, bud? Everywhere. Where you hit?
I'm on the 21 with the
Flagstaff police approached a suspect wielding a metal object and acting aggressively in the street. Despite multiple commands to drop the weapon and stop, the suspect ran and then suddenly charged officers at close range. Carrying a weapon and confronting law enforcement gives the law no second chance.
Come on, dude, just get on the ground. Stop, dude. Stop. Stop! Turn up on. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Drop the screwdriver. Drop it.
Based on a report of unusual behavior at a bank, Weatherford police identified a man carrying a knife. He deliberately lay in traffic and then threatened officers as they approached. Chaos escalated as he continuously resisted. When someone loses control and challenges orders, the law always delivers the final decision. Threatening and holding hostages is not a way to negotiate with the law. It's the fastest way to corner yourself. She will likely regret this action soon.
Everybody move out the way. Hey, put the knife down. Get out the way. Get out the way. Hey, put the knife down. I don't know why I took you. Hey, put the knife down. Well, get down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
Ma'am, pull over here.
700 142. Did you copy 143?
This woman violated school security orders and repeatedly refused to cooperate with police. Despite being asked to leave the vehicle multiple times, she argued, called a lawyer, went live online, and ignored all commands. Prolonged resistance escalated the situation, forcing officers to use a taser to subdue and arrest her on the spot. The law is not swayed by emotion or stubbornness. The more you resist, the higher the cost.
Mender, you're under arrest. Step out of the car.
I'm under arrest?
Yes, you're under arrest. Step out. You are obstructing official business. Step out.
I'm under arrest for what?
You are.
Chief of police now. You're not placing me under arrest.
Resisting.
Stop! I can't! You hurt my leg! Somebody help! No, McConnell, don't touch me! I'm already bleeding everything out! And that right there worked!
Yelling and resisting police never ends well. She likely learned a personal lesson from this. During a traffic stop, officers heard gunfire nearby. Authorities immediately pursued and successfully apprehended the suspect. At the first sign of danger, the law intervenes to end the threat before it spirals out of control.
Metro Police.
Piles attempted to get a man to drop his knife and cooperate, but he ignored them. The situation escalated when he suddenly charged officers with the knife in hand. Resisting the law while attacking only ensures a fast, irreversible outcome.
Bro, put the knife down. Put the knife down, bro. It's not worth it, man. It's not worth it. Put the knife down, man. Put it down. Bro, come on, man. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Hey, drop the knife, bro. Drop it, drop it.
When you choose a dangerous action in front of law enforcement, you're removing any chance of safety for yourself. In this case, the suspect held what looked like a gun and ignored all police commands. Resisting the law only worsens the outcome. Cedar Rapids police responded to a domestic violence report and confronted William Rich, who was armed with a knife and refused to comply. The situation escalated as Rich resisted and attempted to attack officers with the knife. When orders are ignored and violence is chosen, the law will not allow for a gentle ending. Facing the wrong officers can escalate quickly. What would you do in these situations? Have you ever witnessed something like this? Share your thoughts below before we wrap up.
Stop!